Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lemaine. Welcome back for another mini phonics lesson. We are on skill 12 and our lesson objective for today is I can decode and read words with an open syllable pattern. All right, but first let's review our vowels. And they are A-E-I-O-U, sometimes Y. A-E-I-O-U, sometimes Y. Okay. Don't forget, this is the skill where we will definitely see some Ys that are pretending to be vowels. They usually pretend to be an I or an E sound. Honestly, it's usually an E sound, but every once in a while, it'll be an I sound, okay? So, and it's usually at the end of a word where it's pretending to be a Y, okay? All right, you will need a whiteboard marker and eraser. Go. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, you should have a whiteboard marker and eraser. Today I'm doing fake words. Okay, so here we go. Your first word is L-O-T-D-E-N-Y. Make sure you have your word spelled correctly. Mark your vowels and divide your word. Go for it. Now, I will also say, though, make sure you have at least one open syllable in these fake words. Okay, go. Okay, this is what I have. Now, it is possible for you to also, you could have put it right here, and that would still be correct too, since these are fake words. So either one is correct. Okay, let's look at, but it does change the sound of my vowel, and we'll go over that in just a second. Let's look at our first syllable. It is closed, aw, lot. The way I have it, my next syllable is open, E-D, open, E-knee. So my word would be pronounced lot knee, or honestly, this is actually a real word. It could be deny, lot deny. So now if you had it right here, it's also correct because these are fake. Okay, it just changes the pronunciation. Aw, lot, den, and then I or E sound. So it'd be lot deni or lot denny. So, okay, next one. This one's a little bit longer. S P R A G D O S P Y. Mark your vowels, divide your word, go for it. And remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you can pause the video. Okay, this is where I broke it apart at. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. It is closed, sprag. The way that I divided it, it is open, dough. And then my last syllable is open, spy. Now, you could have put it between the S and the P, and that would have been fine. It just changes the sound of your vowel. So instead of O, it would be aw. So we'll go over that in just a second. Okay, so my word is spragdospy. Spragdospy. Your word, if we would have moved it, could have been spragdospy, or spragdospie. So it's fake, so it doesn't really matter. As long as you have at least one open syllable, I'm a happy camper. Okay, last word. A T R A P I F U. Okay, mark your vowels, divide your words, go for it. All right, I divided it so that I have 4 open syllables. As long as you have at least one, remember I'm a happy camper, so this one could be divided several ways. Okay, so the way I have it divided, open, A or open, A or tra or tray, Open, I, pie. Open, you, foo. Okay, so then my word would be atrapaifu. Atrapaifu. Okay. Now, once again, there are several ways that you could have divided this. As long as you have at least one open syllable and you pronounce it correctly, then I'm a happy camper. Okay, last thing we're doing is fluency. Alrighty, so once again, this is the house that Jack built. This is our last one doing this. So try really hard to get through all 7 if you can, but make sure it is smooth and make sure you are accurate. All right, have a super fantastic day. Oh, I'm sorry, you're reading this 2 times to somebody next to you. They're reading it 2 times to you. Have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.